Welcome to this MySorty tutorial. I'll show you how to set up your folders, create tag rules, and automatically sort PDFs and images with OCR. By the end, you'll know how to turn any file into a searchable PDF and keep everything neatly organized. After the login screen, you will land on the main dashboard of MySorty, also called the Operations dashboard. Here, you can change the UI language. More languages will be added in the future. Please note that these are not the same as the OCR and language detection languages that MySorty supports. Currently, MySorty supports around 28 text recognition languages, and you can view which text recognition languages are currently installed on your system here. The first thing you need to do is create and select all the important folder paths, such as the input folder, output folder, archive folder, and PDF merge folder. I've already created all the folders, but the merged PDFs folder is still missing. Let me show you how to create it. Go to the menu here and select File Explorer. Next, expand this PC, then open the drive where you want to create the folder. Right-click inside the location, select New Folder, rename it as you like, and then click Create. Now, go back to the Operations dashboard, click Browse, and select the merged PDFs folder you just created. I also recommend enabling the checkboxes for Auto Start Monitoring, Auto Sort PDFs, and Auto Start PDF Merging. With these options enabled, MySorty will automatically monitor all the selected folders for new PDFs or images. Note: you need to restart the app once for these settings to take effect. Now we can click on the Tag Management button. Here, you also need to specify the folder path where the sorted OCR'd PDFs will be saved. As you can see, I already have one selected. Under Add New Tag Rule, you can start creating your own tag rules. First, enter the folder name where the PDFs should be sorted if the tags match. Let's type Invoices as an example. Next, start adding your tags. Let's add two tags, Invoice and TKB IT Support, as an example of a customer company name. I don't recommend using such general tags, as everything containing these two words would be sorted into the Invoices folder. That's why it's better to be more specific when adding your tags. Below that, you can choose the matching mode. There are two options. Any tag. If any of the tags listed above are found in a PDF, it will be sorted into the Invoices folder. All tags. All tags must be found in the PDF for it to be sorted into the Invoices folder. Don't worry, you can create multiple rules with the same folder name. Finally, click Add Rule. If you scroll to the bottom of the existing tag rules list, you'll see the rule you just created with priority 31. You can adjust the priority by clicking the up or down buttons. A rule with priority 1 is processed first, while priority 31 is processed last during sorting. And now, you can click Close. Now let's test the tag rule we created using a sample PDF. Click on the menu again and select PDF Viewer. Here, I will look for a sample PDF invoice I created. By clicking on it, the PDF viewer will open the file. As you can see, I cannot select the text in this PDF. That's why I will now copy it and paste it into the input folder. Then we wait a little while for the automatic folder monitoring to OCR this PDF, sort it, and archive the original file as a backup. Now, if we look inside the sorted PDFs folder, we will see a subfolder named Invoices as defined by our tag rule. Inside, we will find our text-recognized PDF. When we open it with a PDF viewer, we can see that the text is now selectable. If we check the archive folder, we will also find a new subfolder called Invoices containing the original PDF. As you can see, the text in this file is still not selectable. So now, let's minimize this PC. We will now use these two shortcuts, one to the sorted PDFs folder and one to the archive folder. To understand why this sample PDF was sorted under Invoices, I will view the OCR'd PDF again. As you can see, it contains two of the tags we specified earlier, Invoice and the company name TKB IT Support, as shown here. You can also see that the original sample PDF has been sorted into the archive folder, so you will also always have a sorted original PDF as a backup.